Hello everyone. Today we will start last exercise 12.4. Okay. So in this exercise the questions are based on pattern. Okay. So first question is observe the pattern of digit made from line segments, okay, of equal length. Okay, you will find such segment digits on the display of electronic watches or calculator. This question is given in your book. Okay, you can also see this pattern is given, and here it is written what pattern this digits is following. One digit means n is equal to 1, 5 into 1, okay, plus 1 6. Okay, two digits, 5 into 2 10, 10 plus 1 11. Okay, here three pattern also given in your book. Okay, you can see. Now what is the question here? If the number of digits form is taken to be n, okay, the number of segments required to form n digit is given by the algebraic expression appearing on the right of each pattern. This one, okay. How many segments are required to form 5, 10, 100 digits of the kind 6, 4 and 8, okay, or this kind. Okay, now let's start to solve it. Okay, first one, A part means it is given that the number of segments required to form n digits of kind what this, okay, is given what 5n plus 1. Okay, so number of segment required to form what 5 digit. Okay, so number of segments required to form 5 digits is equal to 5 into 5. I am putting the value of n is equal to 5 in this expression. Okay, 5 into 5 plus 1. Okay, this is equal to 25 plus 1, that is 26. Okay, now for 10 digit and for 100 digit we also make. So number of segments required to form 10 digits, okay, means 5 into 10 plus 1 means 50 plus 1, that is 51. Okay, and next one is form what 100. Number of segments required to form 100 digits. Okay, that is 5 into 100 plus 1. Okay, 500 plus 1, that is 501. Okay, similarly for B means this pattern also, and C for this pattern also. Okay, let's start. Okay, B part. It is same procedure you have to follow. It is given that the number of segment required to form n digits of the kind this is 3n plus 1. Okay, so number of segment required to form 5 digits. Okay, that is 3 into 5 plus 1 means 15 plus 1 is 16. Okay, next for 10, so number of segment required to form 10 digits, that is 3 into 10 plus 1, 30 plus 1, it is 31. Okay, very easy question this is. Next one, number of segment segments required to form 100 digits, that is 3 into 100 plus 1, that is 300 plus 1, that is 301. Okay, now C part is also, now come to the C part. It is given that the number of segments required to form n digits of kind, okay, this is 5n plus 2. Okay, so number of segments required to form 5 digits, that is 5 into 5 plus 2. Okay, 25 plus 2, that is 27. Okay, next one, number of number of segments required to form 10 digits. Okay, that is 5 into 10 plus 2, that is 50 plus 2, 52. Okay, and last one is number of segment required to form what? 100 digits, that is 5 into 100 plus 2, that is 500 plus 2, answer is 502. Okay, you also do this question by yourself, okay, and understand. If any confusion, ask me in the comment box. Okay, very easy. See, this pattern is given, okay, and expression is also given for this pattern. Okay, for one digit, see here if you taking n is equal to 1, 5 into 1 plus 1, okay, means 5 plus 1, that is 6. For 2 digit, 5 into 2, 10 plus 1, that is 11. For 3, 5 3 is 15 plus 1, that is 16. 4, 5 4 is 20 plus 1, that is 21. Okay, only in this question asking how many line segments are required to form 5, 10 and 100 digit to form this kind of pattern. Okay, so expression is given, only you have to put the value of n. In first case n is equal to 5, okay, after that 10 and 100. Second, same thing you have to do, first put n is equal to 5, after that 10 and after that 100. Okay, by this you will solve this question. Okay, and come to the last question of this exercise, question number 2. Okay, very easy question this is also. See, question is given, use the given algebraic expression. Okay, see here algebraic expression is given to complete the table of number pattern. Okay, here terms is given, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Okay, after that 10th and 100th term. Okay, and here expression is given. Okay, you have to fill these blanks, okay, by using the what? Algebraic expression. Now see here, first term. Okay, first term means what? N is equal to 1 here. Okay, see, this is only rough work. Wait, don't write this. Okay, see here 2n minus 1 is expression and first term is given what? 1. Okay, if you solve 2n is equal to 1 plus 1, 1 will go here, so 2n is equal to 2 and n is equal to what? 2 upon 2, that is 1. Okay, it's mean what? It's mean that in first term I am taking n is equal to what? 1. Okay, means 2 into 1 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, that will become 1. Okay, in second term is coming what? 3, means 2n minus 1 is coming what? 3, so 2n is equal to 3 plus 1, 2n is equal to 4, so n is equal to 2. Means what pattern? you are seeing here, in first term I am taking what, n is equal to 1, in second term n is equal to 2, in third term 3 2 just 6 minus 1 5 means 3, fourth term n is equal to 4, ninth term n is equal to 9, 10th term n is equal to 10, 10 to the 20, 20 minus 1 that is 19. So in 100th term, see, so expression is 2n minus 1, okay, for 100th term. This is rough work, okay, this you don't write in your fair copy, only you have to make this table and fill, okay. So 100th term means 2 into what, 100 minus 1 that is 200 minus 1 that is 199. So what you fill here, that is 190 what 9, okay. Same thing and second one, here first term what I am taking, n is equal to 1, 3 1 3, I think here minus is fit, okay. See here case is another. In first I am taking n is equal to 1 and here n is equal to 2, after that n is equal to 3, but here the situation is changed. See, 3n plus 2 is equal to 2, okay, means 3n is equal to 2 minus 2, so 3n is equal to 0, so n is equal to 0. From here I am starting from what, n is equal to 0, okay. If you put n is equal to 0, 3 into 0 0, okay, plus 2 that will come what, 2. After that I am taking in second term, I am taking n is equal to 1, means n is equal to 1, 3 into 1 3 plus what, 2, means 3 plus 2 that is 5. Here I am taking n is equal, in third term I am taking what, n is equal to 2, 3 2 just 6, 6 plus 2 that is 8, okay. Similarly here on in fourth term what I am taking, n is equal to 3, 3 into 3 9, 9 plus 2 11, and in fifth term what I will take, n is equal to 4, okay. So take 3n plus 2, which term, fifth term, means n is equal to 4 plus 2 12, okay. So from here in second pattern it is starting from what, n is equal to 0 0 1 2 3, after that 4. So here if you put fifth term n is equal to 4, that will come what, 12. For 10th term 3 into 9 plus 2 that is 27 plus 2 that is 29, and here 100 term 3 into 99, okay, plus 2 that will become 9 3 are 27, 2 carry 27 28 29 plus 2 that is 2 9 9, okay. Here 2 9 9, okay. So this is what, second one. And come to the third one. Third one is 4n plus 1 expression, and first term is 5. So in first term what I am taking, n is equal to 1, 4 into 1 4 plus 1 that is 5. Second term n is equal to 2, okay, 4 into 2 8, 8 plus 1 9, again 4 3 are 12 plus 1 13. Similarly what, fifth term you have to write 5 4 are 20, 20 plus 1 21, okay. And 10 term 10 4 are 40 and 40 plus 1 51, and 100 term 100 into 4 400, 400 plus 1 401, okay. And come to the next one, okay. Fourth one is 7n plus 20. First term is 27, so n is equal to, if you put 1, okay, 7 into 1, 7 plus 20, 27, 7 to the 14, 14 plus 20, 34, okay. Now come to the fifth term, 7 5s are 35, okay, plus 20, that is 35 plus what, 20, that will become 55, okay. Here 55 and 10th term, okay, 10 7 just 70 and 70 plus 20, that is 90, okay. 110, 107 just 700, 700 plus 20, that is 720, okay. And come to the last pattern. Last pattern is n square plus 1. This is last expression. n square plus 1, and first term is 2, means you are putting n is equal to n square plus 1, okay. If you are putting what, n is equal to 1, 1 square plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2, okay. If you are putting what, n is equal to 2, 2 square 4, 4 plus 1, 5, okay. 3 3 3 is 3 square 9, 9 plus 1, 10, okay. Similarly, fifth term, 5 square, see here, 5 square plus 1, that is 25, plus 1, okay, that is 26, okay. 10th term, 10 square plus what, 1, 10 square, 100, 100 plus 1, 101, so 10 term is 101, okay. So by this, see here, you observe all the pattern. First, how to this pattern is going on, okay. After that, you put the value of n and fill the what, blanks, okay. So here this exercise over, okay. Only try these are left, okay. In my next video we will start try these, okay. Thank you. If you have any confusion in pattern, okay, ask me in the comment box, okay. Thank you.